Hey there, Riddle first graders. Welcome to another video art lesson. Today I want to draw, we're going to draw two birds. So I've started, here's my paper, here's the middle, with two small circles. It almost looks like I'm getting ready to draw glasses. So those are going to be the heads. Next I'm going to draw a beak, a triangle beak, and a triangle beak, and they're going to be facing each other. And it will look like this. Next, I'm going to draw a little curved line for the eye. Little curved line for the eye. And I'm going to give them little eyelashes. How about I'll just give one of them eyelashes. Next, I'm going to make a curved line for their bellies. A curved line for their bellies. And they are facing each other. You might have to hit pause. Can you hit stop if you need to get caught up? I know I'm going fast. I can't make the videos too long. They don't send that well. Next, I'm going to make a shape for a wing and a wing like so, and then I'm gonna make a branch. There's a branch going through here, so that way there's a little branch off sticking off of it. They can sit on a branch. We need to make some feet. We'll make a little foot here. And for his foot, I'm just going to make like a little macaroni. Little curved line there for his little feet. Next, I want to make his tail feathers. I'm going to give him 3, and the tail feathers are going behind the branch, and this tells me the branch is closer in front. Okay, so then pretty much I'm ready to, maybe I'll add some leaves. I need to make a line for the back of his neck, but I'm ready to color and draw more branches maybe for my background. I can make a line for their mouth. I could draw some little feathers inside their wing. I'm going to draw some leaves. Not too many, just a few. Here's a couple leaves. And because these two birds are looking at each other, I'm going to draw hearts. So to make a heart, I can make a letter M. And then all I need to do is put a little V underneath it, and it will make it into a heart. So I'm going to make about 3 of them. Oh, little lovebirds. Look at that. I think I'm going to color the sky blue with some clouds. But first, I need to decide what color these birds are going to be. I am going to make them blue. I'm going to try to color kind of lightly, though, I guess. Coloring lightly because when I outline it, I want to be able to see the feathers and stuff when I use the black. So that's what I'm thinking. And I'm going to make them both blue. Coloring him in. Right. Next, I need to get some orange. Orange feet. Beak. Oh, there's the hearts. I'm gonna make some leaves green, I guess. Leaves green. And I'm gonna make the branches brown. And I'm ready to make some clouds, and I will use a sky blue. I need to color in around the sky. Okay, I need a black now to outline a little bit, make it all pop. Little beaks, little hearts, I'm just outlining it. Here's my little lovebirds. I could draw wind, something I could do. So in the background I could just make some curly lines. Spring day. Windy. There it is. I look forward to seeing yours. Post that so I can see it and everyone can see it. Good luck.